nice hotel. Playa Hermosa, or the beautiful beach in English, is near Coco, Playa del Coco, or Coconut Beach, and they have basically two main axes. This is the secondary one, and we're gonna take a look to see how it looks. Big hotels, as you could see. So they have a little creek here going all the way. For sure it is not any dirty water or anything. Now we're walking to the beach. It's nice, it's beautiful, right? Oh, the same kind of nice. Very nice. Some commerce. Oh, there is a rock slash island, and it's still in Papagayo Bay. Parrot or parakeet. I think it's more parrot bay. Waves. So this is one more. This is Playa Hermosa, and it is Hermosa because look, they have this, and they also have that rock in the middle of the water that is really nice. It's really cool. I like it a lot. And yes, they have their own water park inside the RIU Resort Hotel. How cool is that?
Go.
I have a friend. She stopped here to talk to me.
Right? What you going on?
I just gave her some food. I'm not supposed to, but she's rubbing against my legs and being silly. She's sweet. Yeah, she wants me. So now what we're gonna eat is gorgeous. So steak, mahi-mahi and shrimp, and pork ribs. Like the full menu for us. Oh yeah. And the ocean right there. And we just got another visitor. I was not able to get it, but there was a raccoon right here. Everybody got scared. I'm not sure why. It's just a raccoon. It was so sweet. He was asking for food. I'm sorry, I didn't have time to film. But yes, natural life. God bless. I'm glad they are here. We should stay away from them for their good, not the opposite. So after the steakhouse, we're gonna go for sushi. Why picking?